Now, if you guys are looking for an amazing new construction home here in the southwest side of Las Vegas for under $500,000, well, don't go anywhere because behind me, we're going to be touring the Plan 1802, so stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Today is December 3rd, 2025, and today we're here at Meranto Bay by DR Horton here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. Now, just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're here off of Blue Diamond in Durango. So we're in a great area of the southwest. We're about 25 minutes away from the Las Vegas airport and the Strip. Couple of great things about this area, you guys. We're really close to Durango, plenty of restaurants. We're not too far away from Rainbow that has like great shopping, great restaurants as well. Close to Durango Hotel Casino, and you have the Uncommon. So definitely a lot of places you can go to within like 10 minutes from here. But yeah, guys, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you. So here at the Bay Collection, they have 3 different floor plans here, all 2-story homes ranging from about 1715 square feet all the way up to 1872 square feet, okay? The prices is going to be out the door, okay? So as of today, December 3rd, the price for the 1715 is going to be about $463. And that's including everything. For the 1802, it's going to be about $481, $482. And then for the largest floor plan, the 1872 is going to be about $494. Okay, so here at DR Horton, this is a spec builder, guys. So what that means is they pick out all the options and they start construction, and when they're about 30 to 45 days away from completion, they'll release it to the public, so that way when anybody gets into contract, they don't have to wait too long to get into these homes. Okay, so unfortunately, you can't pick out any options. DR Horton does that. But yeah, some things about the community as well. So this is the grand opening. They're gonna have 20 lots here. So they already sold one. They have one under contract. So they have about 17, 18 more. Okay, now the HOA is going to be $87 a month, which isn't too bad. The average lot square footage is going to be about 3,400. Yeah, guys, that's about it. Let's get started with the tour. All right, guys, welcome to the Plan 1802. Now, this is going to be a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, and it's going to be priced at $482. Okay. So paver driveway is included. Desert landscaping in the front is included as well. So let's take a look. Now remember, this is DR Horton. They build spec homes, so they pick out all the options. And by the time these homes are about 30 to 45 days away from completion, they will release it. So when somebody gets into contract, the home will be ready fairly shortly. Okay, so video doorbell is included. So welcome in. So one thing that's really nice about this community, this Bay Collection here, is that you're going to have 9-foot ceilings on the first floor, and then you will have 8-foot ceilings on the second floor. Okay, so I know they made some of these same communities, different parts of Vegas, and they had like 8-foot ceiling on the first floor, but yeah, they're back to the 9-foot ceilings, or at least for this community. Okay, so right over here, you're going to have your powder room, and then they use this as a sales office for now. But yeah, this is your main living area. So you have the living room, dining room, and your kitchen. Okay. And also, now they're using better flooring, as you can see here in this this community when it comes to this collection. Also with the cabinets as well. And even the paint. It's a different type of whites, more of a pure white. Okay. So again, what you see is what you get for the most part, other than like the furniture, these curtains right here, but you will have blinds for the windows. Okay, refrigerator, washer, dryer, they are included, so you don't have to worry about purchasing that. You know, you're gonna have a nice quartz just like this. I believe they rotate. They use a few different options for the quartz as well as the cabinets and the flooring. But yeah, you do have your Whirlpool appliance package. As you can see, you have your oven, stovetop. Okay, you have your Whirlpool microwave right here. And then as you can see, it does vent outside. Okay, soft close for the cabinets here, but these drawers are not soft close, okay? And you also have your Whirlpool refrigerator. Okay, I recommend it once you purchase your new build home, make sure you register all your appliances so you have extended warranties. Okay, you also have some counter space, some cabinets right here as well. Cool. Now this is going to be the garage. You have a tankless water heater right there. Okay, so you got some storage space. You have your smart panel boxes for your internet router and your modem. Okay, got your dual basin sink. You're also gonna have your garbage disposal down there. Pantry. Another upgrade that they started doing in this collection here, as you can see, these doors are 5-panel doors. The previous DR Horton communities, I believe it's the 2-panel doors. So, you know, slowly making upgrades. Okay, so it's gonna be your pantry. Show you the backyard. Now again, most backyards, on average, gonna be about 3,400 lot square footage. Okay, so here it is. Now remember, when you move in, this is going to be a complete dirt lot right here. So it looks like you have your condenser right there. Now, if you're thinking about going to a brand new community for your very first time, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit and help you out with the process. Just don't go by yourself, guys, because the second you go by yourself, they're gonna ask for your information, your phone number, email, your name, of course. And once you provide your information with them, they're gonna log you in the system as having no representation. You definitely want representation because the builder agents look after the builder's best interests and we look after your best interests. So, you know, definitely give me a call, or if you have a realtor, just make sure they go with you on your very first visit. Okay, cool. So we'll head up to the second floor. Again, this is gonna be the powder room. So pedestal sink, toilet. Okay, so you will have carpet on the stairs and then the second floor. As soon as you walk in, you'll see the primary bedroom. You'll see over here, you're gonna have your other bedrooms. You'll have one bedroom there, another bedroom here, as well as right over here. But we'll go ahead and start off in the primary bedroom. You can have your laundry room, washer and dryer. Again, this is going to be included. Okay, you also have space for your linens. So we have a king size bed right here. Okay. Welcome to the primary bath. So you have 2 separate sinks. Now you got this quartz right here. Okay, cabinets. So same options as downstairs. You're gonna have the drop-in sinks. And here you're gonna have your toilet room. Okay, walk-in shower, fiberglass surround. So this is the view. So again, we're in a great area in the Southwest. Okay, there's gonna be mountains surrounding us. And then this is the walk-in closet. Okay, so plenty of room. Okay. I do love that they definitely added the 5-panel doors. Okay, so we'll visit the other guest bedrooms here. So this guest bedroom number 1. Okay, and just in case if you're curious to know the dimensions of the rooms, just reach out to me, guys. Shoot me a text, give me a call. I could tell you the dimensions in case you're curious. Okay, so we'll have this bedroom here, but first, take a look at this linen closet. Okay, what you're seeing right here, this is a transfer grill, so it helps regulate the airflow between the bedrooms and the hallway. This one also has a standard closet. Now this is going to be the full bath that these bedrooms will share. And then this is the last bedroom. Yeah, guys, that wraps it for this floor plan, the 1802. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And again, if you have any questions, just reach out to me. But thank you so much for watching this entire video, and I'll catch you on the next one.